How to install TipitakaPali.org software on macOS. First, go to the website TipitakaPali.org, scroll down and click the Download for Desktop button. On the newly opened download page, scroll to the macOS section and download the file named Tipitaka Pali universal.dmg. This universal DMG file can be installed on both Intel-based Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, like M1, M2, etc. Please note, since this software hasn't been signed with a paid developer certificate, Apple won't recognize the developer and will show a warning message like the one in this screenshot. While waiting for the download to finish, you can check out Apple's official guide on how to open a Mac app from an unidentified developer using the link provided here. Once you have the tipitakapali.dmg file, double-click it to launch. Click Agree if you accept the terms. Drag the tipitakapali.org app icon into the Applications folder to install it as usual. Open Launchpad and look for the app icon. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds. Once it appears, click the app icon to launch it. Follow the steps from Apple's earlier guide to open the app. Click Done. Next, go to the top left corner of your Mac, select the Apple menu, then go to System Settings and click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Security section, click Open Anyway. Then, Open Anyway. macOS will ask for your Mac login password, then click OK. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the tipitakapali.org software on your macOS system. To explore the app's main features, check out the user guide video through the link displayed on screen.